How to fix Cash App instant deposit not working. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If the Cash App instant deposit is not working, firstly check for the limit of deposit in your Cash App. That does differ how much money you are actually trying to deposit instantly. If not, you have to check if there is any of the bug or the glitch issue. In that case, just tap open your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of apps. Tap on all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Cash App. Then, starting off, tap on the Force Stop button. Head over to Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. It should remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. If the issue still persists, you have to reach out to the help and support of Cash App. By this way, you'll be able to solve your issue. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.